We have two paths for mechanical technology. We have machine tool and we have design. If you want to be more on the machine tool side, that is running machines, programming machines, setting up machines. You have a really good background with understanding how to program them, how to set them up, how to use all the measuring equipment. So really you can go in and hit the ground running from a machine tool standpoint.
Highlight some of the cool new technology that we've added in the past few years. We have cutting-edge 3D printers that are multicolor machines, super fast with automatic material systems. We have robotic systems for our automation and industrial maintenance training. We have new CNC machine tools that we've added to the shop just in the past few months.
This industry is in very dire need of skilled people to do these jobs. A lot of retirements happening, not enough people to fill the gap. Companies are moving towards automation, which is great, but we need people that know how to design automation, how to program automation. So that's what we're teaching here.